Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to my new video. How are you doing? What's up? See, today is a rainy day. After a gap of 2-3 weeks, after some respite, rain started again here in Mumbai. And it has been raining continuously since morning. And right now I'm in Borivali, standing next to Borivali National Park or Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And we are going to explore one of the most prominent historical sites, one of the most prominent tourist places in Mumbai called Kanheri Caves today. And Kanheri Caves are a group of rock-cut Buddhist caves located within the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, in the middle of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. That's why I'm here right now, today. And these caves are a significant historical and archaeological site, offering insights into the Buddhist civilization that thrived in this region long back. So we are going to explore these caves, Kanheri Caves today. So are you ready? Okay. And friends, I just entered Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And I'm going to take a bus from here because it is in the middle of this park. And it will take, it is approximately 5 to 6 kilometers from here. This is the entry point of this park. So I'm going to take a bus. They have bus services to this particular place. So today we are going to explore Kanheri Caves. And if you want to know more details of this park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, I have a dedicated video of this park taken last year. So please check it out, okay? Cabs, rickshaws or any private vehicles are not allowed here. Park authorities provide their vehicles for transportation. There are several people in the bus and we finally got on here. This is the bus stop. Now these caves are located on a hilltop, so I had to walk all these steps you can see behind me in the background. I had to climb all these steps to reach the top. And okay, I'm so excited. And this place is so beautiful. This part of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And I'm going to climb the steps right now. The rain still continues, no any signs of letting up soon, but I find so many visitors here today, irrespective of the weather. Yes, I'm gonna climb. I don't know how many steps, but anyhow, I'm so excited. I'm coming for the first time here. My goodness. So beautiful, my dear friends. The area, surrounding area is so beautiful. And you can see lots of monkeys here. So many monkeys. I'll show you. And there's a board, don't feed the wild animals. So feeding animals are not allowed. So, rain has not stopped. Rain still continues. So small ticket counter, I have to take a ticket for entry pass to enter there. So I'm going to take a small ticket. It's only 25 bucks, 25 rupees, Indian rupees. Okay, it's a small amount. So I'm going to take a ticket. Okay. There are many people here. So many visitors. And wow, there's a beautiful waterfall there. Oh my goodness, absolutely wonderful. It's so beautiful. Okay, these are the staff cottages for multi-purpose hall, etc. And there are also toilet facilities for visitors, and toilet and drinking water also available here, and canteen facilities also there. So beautifully done, well managed area. And approaching the caves, my dear friends, I'm so excited. So heavy rain was not expected today, though the sky was cloudy in the morning. I thought it would be kind of drizzling, but it is so heavy rain now. This place is under the Archaeological Survey of India. It is an Indian government agency that is responsible for archaeological research and the conservation and preservation of cultural and historical monuments in the country. Monkeys on this tree. Oh my goodness. There are several monkeys all around. There's another one. It's a beautiful place. History of this cave dates back to 1st century BC to the 10th century CE, spanning several centuries of Buddhist activities here. They were excavated and developed as a center for Buddhist monasticism and religious activities under the rule of various Buddhist dynasties here in India. This is the first cave we come across here. I initially thought all caves are at the same level, but I was wrong. You have to climb hundreds of steps further to reach to the rest of them. It's pouring down now. As the rain intensifies, the noise from people around drowned out. But I find the real beauty of the rain when it's cascading down the steep slopes of the rocks, creating small waterfalls all around. The view from here is absolutely wonderful. The caves are located within the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, a sprawling forest area. The lush green surroundings, dense vegetation and the serene atmosphere create a peaceful and picturesque environment. There are hiking and walking trails leading to the caves. These trails take you through the heart of the national park, allowing you to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the region. It is an excellent place for natural enthusiasts and hikers. As you know, the national park is home to diverse wildlife including leopards, deer and various bird species. Spotting these animals in their natural habitat adds to the area's charm. There are several visitors today. I didn't expect this many visitors because today it's raining heavily. So, but this is one of the popular tourist destinations here, and that's why people coming irrespective of the rains. Yeah, wow, you can see the waterfall. Wow, my goodness, this is absolutely wonderful. You can see the rain coming, the water coming from the people are really enjoying this. There's a body says swimming prohibited. So you can see the cascade of water. It's absolutely wonderful, fantastic, one of a kind of experience for me. I haven't seen such a sight in my lifetime. Friends, you can hear my panting clearly. I had a long day today, and after that, reaching to the top of this hill is not that easy. The Kanheri Caves comprise a total of 109 rock-cut caves which are carved into the basalt rock formations. These caves can be categorized into three main groups. First one, of course, is Chaitya Caves or prayer halls. The Chaitya caves are large horseshoe-shaped halls with a stupa, or stupa means a symbolic representation of Buddha, at one end. These halls were used for congregational worship and are adorned with intricate sculptures and inscriptions. The most famous Chaitya cave at Kanheri is cave number 3. And the second one is Vihara caves or monasteries. The majority of the caves at Kanheri are Vihara caves, which served as residences for Buddhist monks. These caves have simple cells for monks, along with common areas for meditation and study. The third one is Ardha Chaitya caves or semi-Chaitya caves. These caves combine elements of both Chaitya and Vihara caves. They often have a hall with a stupa, but also include living quarters for the monks. My goodness, the view from here is absolutely heavenly, fantastic, one of a kind I haven't seen before in my entire lifetime, my dear friends. See this. Now I'm at the top of this hill, and you can see the view. Absolutely wonderful. This one of a kind. The caves at Kanheri are known for their impressive rock-cut architecture and intricate sculptures. The interiors of the caves are adorned with numerous sculptures depicting various Buddhist deities, stories from the life of Buddha, and scenes from Buddhist mythology. The architecture reflects the transition from Hinayana Buddhism to Mahayana Buddhism with a blend of styles and influences. Several inscriptions found within the caves provide valuable historical information, including details of the donors, dedications, and the period when the caves were excavated. These inscriptions have been crucial in dating the caves and understanding their historical significance. These caves represent an essential aspect of India's Buddhist heritage and offer valuable insights into the religious, artistic, and architectural developments of the region during ancient times. They also showcase the role of caves as centers of learning and spiritual practice. These caves have been preserved and protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and they continue to attract tourists, historians, and archaeologists from around the world. The surrounding Sanjay Gandhi National Park provides a natural and serene backdrop to these historical treasures. These caves, Kanheri Caves, continue to hold a significant relevance in today's time for several reasons. First of all, the Kanheri Caves are testament to India's rich historical and cultural heritage. They provide a tangible link to the ancient Buddhist civilization that thrived in the region over thousands of years ago. Studying and preserving this heritage is essential for understanding India's diverse cultural history. Now it seems rain stopped for a while, but it is unpredictable. Mumbai's rains are unpredictable. Sky is so cloudy and it will pour down before we know at any moment. Now it is just drizzling, but it is just a momentary pause before the big event. Okay, now I am climbing down the steps. I want to explore some other important areas I missed because of the rain. You can see all these steps, friends. I don't know how many steps I had encountered because it's so confusing. There are trails everywhere for going up and down. Initially I thought these steps were slippery because of the rain, but they are not. You'll get enough grip for going up and down. But I suggest not to try climbing up and reach the top of this hill if you are not fit and healthy. Okay. Wow, see this waterfall. Wonderful. Wow, this is one another cave with beautiful carvings and statues here. These caves are, of course, a treasure trove of rock-cut architecture and intricate sculptures. They serve as a valuable resource for art historians, archaeologists, and researchers studying ancient Indian art and architecture. These caves offer insights into the evolution of artistic styles and religious iconography during their time of construction. For Buddhists and scholars of Buddhism, the Kanheri Caves remain a place for spiritual significance. They represent a connection to the roots of Buddhism in India and provide insight into the practices and beliefs of early Buddhists. Many people still visit the caves for meditation and spiritual contemplation. And these caves are renowned for their intricate rock-cut carvings that you can see here, which depict a wide range of subjects including religious and mythological motifs as well as scenes from daily life. Many carvings in the caves represent Buddhist deities such as Buddha himself or bodhisattvas and other figures from Buddhist mythology. These figures are often depicted in various postures and mudras or hand gestures. Carvings of animals, both real and mythical, can be found in some of the caves. These animals are often associated with Buddhist iconography and may represent various virtues and attributes. Well, started pouring down after a few minutes relaxing. People say this is the right time, monsoon is the right time to visit this place to watch this beautiful cascade of waterfalls everywhere. Now I just find this bridge across this waterfall. I just want to go and check what is there on the other side. Let's go. Okay, this is just a viewpoint, nothing else. Many caves contain stupas, which are symbolic, like this, which are symbolic representation of Buddha. These stupas are often surrounded by decorative elements and objects of veneration and meditation. And this is cave number 3 at Kanheri, and it's one of the most significant and well-known caves within the complex due to its impressive architecture and iconic 22-foot Buddha carving that you're going to see. Interestingly, this is also the cave where you get to see the maximum number of people gathered around than any other area of this place. The architecture and carvings here are absolutely fantastic, and you should remember that all this happened over 2000 years ago, where no any sort of machineries or equipments were available. Everything done manually. This is the 22-foot Buddha I just mentioned, and the focal point of this place, this cave. Absolutely wonderful. And this is also called Chaitya Hall, which means it's a prayer hall with a stupa at its far end. And this is the stupa at the rear of the hall, which is the central focus of this cave. The stupa represents the symbolic presence of the Buddha and served as a focal point for worship and meditation. And you can see the hall is supported by intricately carved pillars that are adorned with various decorative motifs and sculptures. The area is so dark that it's not clearly visible. There's no any lighting arrangements. The stupa is a multifaceted symbol in Buddhism, representing the presence of Buddha, and it serves as a powerful reminder of the path to enlightenment and a source of spiritual inspiration and a unifying element within Buddhist communities. Stupas continue to be revered as respected by Buddhists around the world, and they are integral to the practice and expressions of the Buddhist faith. Friends, I came down and now time to return. It was a wonderful experience. I feel like I should have visited this place much before. Anyhow, I enjoyed this so much. It's a wonderful experience and for me. And now I'm waiting for the same bus. It will be coming in a few minutes. Okay, so please stay tuned. We're heading back to the Borivali railway station. This is a Borivali East Market and I'm going to take a train from the station. Now I'll be reaching there in 5 minutes. Now finally back to the railway station. My train has come. I'm going to board this train and get down at Dadar as usual. Hello friends, I'm in Dadar right now. Just came out of the station, railway station. Now I'm ending this video here. I'll be back soon with some other contents and till then goodbye. And before that I want to tell you, because of the rain, it was a little difficult taking videos, still I managed. Hope you liked the video and okay, I'll be back soon.